What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know that the last time I was on here it probably looked a little different than this.
I got a camera.
Even though I just got the camera today, I was like, girl, you got it for a reason, so you better make a video. So with that being said, I'm not really sure how to work this thing that much. So if there's some technical difficulties, just bear with me please. I was going to do just kind of like a smoky look. You could wear this on a night out with your girls, you could wear it to a date night with your partner, wherever. So if you're interested in seeing this smoky eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. Let's get weird. So first I'm going into the Desi and Katy palette, taking the shade Necessary, and I'm putting this all over the base of my lid before I put any other darker colors down in the crease or in the outer V. Next I'm going into the shade Churro, which is a darker brown, and I'm going to be placing this into the crease of my eye to darken up the outer rim. Then I'm going to use the shade Basic in the palette, and I'm just going to use this to dust the outer edge of my eye so that there's no harsh lines anywhere. Then using this Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to go into the shade from the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette, and I'm just going to focus on the outer V of my eye and working it up until about 3/4 way of my crease. Then using that big fluffy brush again, I'm just going to go back into Churro to replace the pigment that kind of got lost when everything was blending. Then I'm going to use Just a Kiss, and I'm going to focus it on the inner corner of my eye, and then just kind of use the excess glitter and make a gradient to the outer part of my eye so that it all kind of blends in together. So this is actually a new find for me, but it's the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Liner, and these are so good and creamy and just like really pigmented. But here I'm using Keep It Spicy, and I also love Nonstop Nude. I think there's a hair in my mouth. Anyways, I hope you guys liked watching this video of this evening type look. Thank you so much. Where is this hair coming from though? Is it my cat or my... Ugh. And that's about it. To show you guys my kitty cat. He's really tired. Say hi to the camera. He likes a good side profile pic. That's for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you hopefully in my next one.